Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix touchscreen not responding on your REALME GT8 Pro Dream Edition. So first, if you have a screen protector, then you can remove it if it's bad quality, if it's misplaced, or it's just uneven. Its ratio is uneven to the screen, because it can cause your screen to become less responsive. Now, for the case, I would recommend you guys to remove it if it's covering even a tiny part of your screen. So, as you guys can see, here we have the little bezels. Now, if the case is made out of a bad dummy phone, then it can cover the bezels and it can cover the screen. And whenever something covers the screen, you just won't be able to use it. So, make sure to remove that if that's the case. Now, what you guys can do is grab a microfiber cloth and clean your screen. So this way you get rid of any moisture, you get rid of fingerprints, and your screen will look better overall. So here I have the microfiber cloth. Now we can just swipe a couple of times on the screen. We don't need to go hard on it. We just need to clean it up. Now, after those couple swipes, our screen should be beautiful and shiny. And after that, what we can do is restart our phone to refresh the system. So hold the power button. Now swipe up to restart, and now our phone is restarting. So I'll see you guys in a second. After the restart, what you guys can do as a last resort is update your software. So if you do not have the latest version, then make sure to update it. Let's go over to the settings and swipe down to system and update. Now go to software update and it will check for updates automatically. As you guys can see, my version is up to date, but if yours isn't, then I recommend you guys updating it to keep up with the latest updates for your device. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.